Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to fit everything or all your text in one page on Microsoft Office Word. So there are, I think, three methods to do this operation. The first one is just to decrease the fonts or the size of your text. So we have to select all the text by just clicking Ctrl plus A. Then we are going to decrease our font size here in Home. Then go to the font section and click on the decrease font size button. Here we are going to decrease the size until it fits to one page. As you can see, our text now is fitting just one page. Another method to do is to decrease the spacing, the line spacing here of the text. So now we can just click on remove space after paragraph so it can decrease the spacing. As you can see, now it is fitting again in just one page. The third method is an automatic option provided by Microsoft Office. We will need to go to File so we can add this feature and go to Option. Then we'll go to the Quick Access toolbar. Now we are going to click on all commands. We will wait until it loads all this. And we will search on shrink everything. Ring in one. We will search for an option called shrink in one page. So we will be searching here until we find the option that we want. As you can see, here is the option that we want. Then we will click on add and OK. Now we can find our option here in the quick access toolbar. You have to uh, select your document here and it will shrink automatically without any modification or manual modification by the user. So this is how you fit everything in one page on your Microsoft Office Word document. Thank you for watching and goodbye.